Hey guys, this week's episode is a little bit different to what you normally see from us. We're actually not in our caravan, we're in our house, which is a bit unusual. Like we mentioned last week's episode, we thought we would take you through the setup and pack up of the True Kit boat. Mitchell will be doing most of the talking because there is only so many times that I can call something pretty, and I have no idea how else to explain it.
She knows more about the boat than what she gives on, but that's all right.
I just know I do the hard work.
So yeah, we'll do a bit of a quick, fast forward through the pack up and setup of it, and then show you some of the features that we like and why we went with the True Kit over some of the other alternatives. Alright, so as you can see, basically what we've got is we've got the motor, we've got a hand pump, we've got a Makita blower, we've got a bag here that has the seat, wheels, rope, and bits and bobs like that in it. And then we've got the main bag here, which has got basically two parts. So it's got the floor and it's also got the actual, twin hull set up for the boat and the transom.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Alright, so now that we've got to this point, it comes with a hand pump, but we don't actually use the hand pump to get the bulkwood in there. That's why we've got the Makita blower. So basically I'll go around, put air in these 4 chambers with the blower, and then whack the floor and do the same with that, and then Sam will go around with the hand pump and do the last little bit to get it up to pressure.
Yeah. Always have to do the hard work?
Not always. Alright, then we just roll this floor in. Oh, just 2 seconds, I'll just roll this floor in.
I'm just getting too eager to do my job because I know how hard it's going to be.
Sick of waiting for me. This is how it's looking 5 minutes in from being in the bag. Sam's got the 2 back chambers up to 3 psi, which is what they need to be at, and just doing the front 2 to 3 psi, and then this main floor goes up to 10 psi. The little blower gets them to about 1.5 to 1 psi. left is the seats, which these are the same. I think you're meant to do these before you put the full pressure in. And you can basically put them as forward or as back as what you want, but that's what works for us, is basically just getting them on from the front. And again, these are heaps easy to do if you put them on before blow it fully up.
Originally I wanted the, was it the 4.6 boat?
4 point something.
4 point something. We ended up going with the 3.3. I was a bit skeptical because we've got 2 young kids, and at that stage we did have a dog, so I didn't know how much room we were going to have, but this is plenty big enough for the 4 of us now. There you have it.
There you have it. So what are we? We are 11 minutes. Also, as far as the 6 horsepower goes, I was umming and ahhing, is it big enough? Is it going to be alright? But so far, no dramas. Got up to 20 k's or pretty close to a few times. But yeah, definitely plenty of speed, and for what we want to do, should be no dramas. So this is the thing we opted to go for as well, which is like a bag that goes under the seat, which basically perfectly fills this area and void under the seat here. And then straps up to the seat with 3 straps, and we put all snacks and drinks and all kinds of things in there as well.
Majority snacks for the kids.
Pretty much. A few squid jigs as well. So one of the things we really liked about the True Kit is these quick lock wheels you can get. Discovery pack, they come kind of factory fitted, ready to go on each side, which is super handy. They're really easy to get on and off, so you can just lift that up when there's no weight on it, and then the whole thing just slips out. And then to fold them up, you just pull this basically down so it comes out of that notch, and then just flicks up and goes up into there. So you don't need to take them off to be dry or anything like that. Just real simple, easy. And the other thing we liked about the True Kit is that it comes with these 2 sturdy seats. So a couple of the other brands we looked at, they either didn't have seats and you've got to just sit on that kind of outside tube, or they come with like some tubes that you can put in there. These are real handy. So these at the moment we've got our paddles in, but you can also put the paddles down the side there. Then you can put a shade into those. We also got the Discovery pack, which comes with these fitted as well, so you can put rod holders or filleting holders, GoPro holders and stands and things like that as well. So we haven't got any accessories like that yet, but I'm sure we will, to make life easier.
Alright, so now time for the pack up.
Alright, we'll start a timer and we'll see how long it takes to pack up. And there's the bag with the wheels, seats, ropes, and all in it. Hand pump. Battery blower.
And I'm not going to lift that one.
And the motor. There it is.
There you have it.
Also just want to shout out to, I think it was Port Lincoln Marine. We went and saw them when we were in Lincoln a few months ago before we even bought a boat, just about what they could do in motors and boats and stuff like that. And the dude was super helpful around the outboard. So yeah, rather than buying it kind of locally, we spent a couple of hours, drove down to pick that up. It was super helpful, helped us out, and we also got the boat register as well. We just got to get the stickers to put on it, but he was super helpful with that as well. Nothing was too hard, everything was easy, super easy to deal with. Thanks for watching. Hopefully if you're thinking about a true kit boat, this will give you a bit of inspiration. We'll also chuck just a little bit of footage just so you can see what size it is when we're in it and stuff like that. But yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has helped you out. Bye.